the clutch. Gas, 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 gas. Gas up. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be teaching my wife how to drive a manual. I've tried this once before. It didn't go too well. She ended up leaving the vehicle on the street, telling me I was a horrible teacher and I was rude. So we're going to try it again. We are going to use my 1986 Chevy C10. It is a 3-speed. So yeah, let's go get her, give this a try. Wish me luck. Guess what we're gonna do? What? I'm gonna teach you how to drive a stick.
No, you're not.
Yep. Today's the day.
I don't think so.
Today is the day. Get your nails off there.
Oh.
Probably not the best vehicle to be teaching somebody how to drive a manual in, but it's all we got. So wish me luck.
Clearly you haven't used this much. It's rusty.
Rusty?
Come out.
You gotta pull on it a few times. Come on now.
I'm not wearing it.
Okay. We don't care about safety. There's no airbags in this truck, so we'll be all right. Okay, so first things first. Pedal on your left. Don't push it. Just touch it. That's your clutch. Brake in the middle, and then gas on the right. Okay. This is a 3-speed. This is your stick. Neutral, wobbly, loosey-goosey. Okay. All the way over and up is reverse.
Okay.
Down is first, second, third. That's all you got. So middle, loosey-goosey. All the way over, up, first, or sorry.
You said reverse.
Reverse. Good job. I was testing you. Reverse.
All right, let's go.
Hold on. All right. So all the way over and up, reverse, first, second, third. Anytime you shift, keep the clutch pressed in. If you're slowing down and you need to go to neutral, push the clutch in. Press your clutch in right now, all the way to the floor.
Okay.
Okay. Over there, you see the emergency brake. Pull it.
Don't I need to put my brakes on?
Nope, you're good.
Are you sure?
It'll coast.
What if it rolls away?
Put your foot on the brake. Perfect.
I'm too
Pull
short.
it.
Okay.
Okay. So you shake it in neutral.
Yep.
Okay. All the way over. And let's try to go in you want to try to do reverse first? Back up so you can feel it.
Sure.
All the way up. Don't force it. Easy. There you go.
Is that going?
That's reverse. Okay. Don't let off the clutch. So when you let off the brake, see if it goes forward. Okay. Give it a little gas. A little more gas. Bring it up to about closer to 1,500, 2,000 RPMs.
Okay.
Slowly let off.
Oh God.
Slowly let off. Keep going.
I am. It's not going anywhere.
Keep going. Feel it. There you go. You feel that engagement?
Yeah.
And there you go. There you go. There you go. Perfect. When you get up here, pushing the clutch. All right. Push clutch all the way in.
Yep.
Brake. Okay. That's reverse. Clutch is in.
All right.
Go down to first. All right.
All right. Are you ready for this?
Same thing.
Maybe you should put your seatbelt on.
If things go south, push in the clutch and push the brake. Clutch and
Not
brake.
just send it.
Do not send it. Clutch and brake.
Oh God. Okay.
Okay, here we go. Take it up about 1,500, 2,000 RPMs. There you go. Slowly let off. Oh. We're rolling. All right. Back up and turn around. We'll go around the other way.
Back up.
Put it in reverse.
You want me to back all the way up
Nope,
there?
you're gonna flip it around. Put it in reverse. This is going great. All right, same thing. Give it gas. You're gonna back around that way, right there. Give it up there.
This is so hard. Oh God.
Easy. You got this. We're going the wrong way. Gas. There you go. You feel it right there? Okay. Now start turning your wheel. Oh, we're moving. Oh.
I'm a pro.
Keep going.
Who needs a teacher with a student like me?
All right. Put it in first.
I'm sweating.
All right. We're trying to turn around.
Oh.
We're trying to turn around.
Okay.
Go this way. All right. You're in first. You're all the way turned.
Okay.
Okay. Same thing.
I'm scared.
Give it up there, 1,500, 2,000. Turn that wheel. were turned all the way. Okay. You were turned the wrong way. There you go.
Jesus, forgive me if I wreck into the
Ease
church.
into it. Give it gas. Gas, gas. There you go. There you go. That's perfect. Keep it going. Now let off the clutch. Gas, 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 gas. Gas it up. All right.
Okay.
That's your first time killing it. Not too bad. All right. You're in neutral. Start her up. It's going to be hard now. You're on a hill. Clutch in.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Did I break it?
A little squeaky. All right. Go back to first.
Okay.
All right. You're going to start rolling this time. To keep it up to about 1,500, 2 grand. And when you let off the clutch completely, just keep giving it gas and you'll find where it's wanting to die. You'll be able to feel it. You're good.
Oh my gosh.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Give it gas, 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 gas. Okay. Push clutch in. All right, take number 3. Just we're gonna leave it in first. Keep the clutch in. Ready?
No. How did you learn to do this? Please, was it on 3-speed?
Sendo.
What did you learn in?
I learned in a little S10.
Probably
All right,
easier than this.
now you're on a hill.
I was on a hill
All right.
before.
You need more gas. When I say gas, that means gas.
Okay, but if I floor and go over that, you're gonna be real mad.
You won't hit that.
Okay, you're so confident.
Get it up there. Get it up there. Oh, let it go. Clutch, gas, gas, gas. Gas, gas, gas. There we go. We're off, baby. All right, focus, focus. Don't bottom out. Focus, focus.
I'm not
You're
going
good.
on the main street.
You're good. You're
What
good.
if I
Just
died
keep
in the middle of the road?
Come on. Give it a little gas. I'm shaking here. Oh, man.
Oh, shoot.
We're almost to the main street. All right, clutch and brake. Clutch. Keep your foot on that clutch.
I am.
All right, ease down.
Oh my God, there's
All right.
a car coming.
Ease down. All right, just take this time while this car goes by to reconfigure your thoughts. Think about everything. Remember where your clutch, your brake, and your
I know
gas
where
pedal
they're at.
are.
That doesn't mean I know how to use it.
All right, let this car go. We're gonna hang a left here,
Skirting it down the road.
and then we're gonna hang a left
Oh my gosh, there's another one.
in front of the house. Well, you're doing better than last time.
Well, you're being nicer than last time. So.
The vehicle is in one piece so far. So, all right,
Am I still in first?
check. Go up to now. Go up to neutral. Go to neutral. Shaky, loosey goosey.
Yep.
Now over and down. Okay, you're in first.
Oh gosh.
All right, now
Okay.
just start.
Oh wait, I gotta push the gas, huh?
There you go. Don't hit that
Ooh.
mailbox. All right, all right. Yeah. Let's hit a. We're gonna pass the street up here. So you're gonna go. Keep going straight out that way. You're gonna take it up to about 3,000 RPMs. Start climbing it. Start going. I want you to shift a second.
Oh,
Just keep
that's
going.
this way.
Yep.
I let off the gas when
Well,
I
first go
right?
around this curve. First hit this curve.
Oh, there's
You're
a car
fine.
behind me.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. All right, clutch in. Find that middle gear. Clutch all the way in. Okay, now gas, clutch. Woo! You're 1-2 shift, baby. Let's go! Oh man, we got a car behind us. Okay.
What do I do?
Just keep going. Oh man, they're getting close. Okay. Put your blinker on now that you're turning right. I should have probably turned right there. All right, clutch in.
Okay.
Easy, don't bottom out. I do not want you to turn up this hill. I just want you to stop right here.
Okay.
Get over. That's good, that's good, that's good.
I'm sweating.
Oh. Whew. All right, now we're on a hill, so now things are about to get
Okay.
more interesting. All right, take your blinker off.
Okay.
You're gonna learn this trip. All right, you're in neutral.
Yep.
All right, take it to first.
Okay.
We're gonna pass this turn because that's pretty,
There's no cars.
pretty
here.
steep.
Okay.
So gas, you're gonna roll back, kind of go up the hill. Take it up about 2 grand,
There's a
2,000.
truck. I'm gonna wait.
Where?
Right in front of us.
I'm looking behind us. So. Oh man. All right, take it up about 2 grand. Slowly let off. Watch your steering wheel. gas, more gas, more gas.
Giving it gas! Oh my god, I'm in the middle of the road.
Okay. Okay, oh, easy on my starter. Man, an old box Chevy. Oh, we're rolling back. Gas. Oh, gas, 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 gas. Your little foot's not hitting the gas. Brake, brake, we're rolling.
You can't do this.
We're in the middle of the street. All right.
Okay, are we ready?
Yes. Come on. Start letting out it. Gas. We're on. Okay, go, go, go. Good, good. Woo. Easy, easy. We got cars coming.
I know how to drive. I just can't drive.
There goes my starter. My clutch. Alright, we gotta find somewhere safe to turn around. Just keep cruising. Nope, nope, no, we're not. We're gonna turn up here. We're gonna hang right. Alright, hit that 1-2 one more time. Rev it up. Clutch in. Oh shoot. Okay, let off. There you go, baby. You go ahead and pass this one if you want, since there's a car right there. You just did your second 1-2 shift. We're doing good. How do you feel about this?
I don't like it.
Getting the hang of it, ish. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the clutch in. Go to neutral. Kind of take this a little wider. Wide. Yeah, you're turning here.
Oh.
Take it wide. Easy, easy. Okay, just turn in here. Crank her over. Okay, we're still in neutral.
Yeah.
Okay. Go to first real quick. You can't. You're in neutral. Go to first. Okay, straighten her out. Go forward a little bit.
Straighten it out. I can't really straighten
Gas,
it out.
gas, more gas, more gas. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, brake, clutch, brake. All right,
Okay.
all right. Go to reverse. Keep your foot in all the way on that clutch.
Babe, I'm
Okay.
short. Need a
Sit forward,
booster
scoot up.
seat.
All right, let off the brake and we can kind of coast backwards. Okay. Slowly let off. See, you'll feel it. Feel it? Perfect.
No, I don't feel anything.
Clutch in, clutch in,
My
brake.
anxiety.
All right.
All right.
Are you in first?
Yep.
All right. Rev her up. Just try not to drop it so much. Rev it up. Dropping it, I mean letting go of the clutch. Gas, 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 wheel, shit. Oh, God damn. Woo, boy. All right, keep going. All right. Keep going, keep going. Rev it up a little. Watch the potholes.
I can't do all this at the same time.
All right, shift a second. Okay. Give it gas. Watch this car.
Sorry, I'm hitting potholes. I can't help it.
Just don't slow down. You're gonna have to downshift. We haven't got that far yet. All right. Just cruising second.
You can do that.
Good.
Oh, I'm
right.
sweating.
It's all right, baby. Sorry for putting you through this. So now, if you were to slow down and you needed to downshift to first, if you're going too slow, you would downshift a gear from what you're in. So if you're in second, you would downshift to first and cruise in first if you needed to go at a lower speed.
Okay.
So you always just go down from the number you're in, unless you're coming to like a complete stop from second. Say you're going this fast and you come to a complete stop, you need to go to neutral and then stop and then go back to first. So, all right, I think you got this though. We're gonna make one more turn up here, and then hopefully we're good.
Not by those people or not.
You got it. So clutch in,
Okay.
all the way, brake. Go ahead and go down to first. Okay, turn. Start giving it gas while you're letting off. Oh, gas, gas, gas. Woo!
Oh, that was smooth.
Let's go.
Woo!
All right. Easy, you're kicking up rocks.
Okay, I'm going and I'm doing good. Don't kill my mojo.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully, you guys got some laughs out of it. The C10 is in one piece. Probably need a new clutch, new starter, but she made it back home. She's in one solid piece. What were your thoughts on it?
I I think I'm pretty good. I'm a professional.
I'll take those. Give me those. Don't ever move it out of the shop or drive it without me
I
there.
think I could do it. What if we're in a bind and I need to drive you to the hospital?
We'll figure out another way of transportation. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Peace.